Well, hi everybody. This is your stay-at-home grandmama, and I just have a few things for Tuesday's mail call. How's everybody doing? I am doing fine. Just tired, and I don't know why either. I haven't been out today. Well, I was out getting the mail. I got some shea butter. It's organic, refined, and it is natural, and it's by, I don't know. Sometimes they write these things so small, but its ingredients is raw, virgin, or organic, cold pressed ivory shea butter, grade A source from Ghana. So, I don't know. Writing's a little bit small, but it is. I'm gonna open it. I never really smell it, but let's smell it. It has no smell, so, but that's good. I'll take it off because I'm going to use it anyway, so. How's everybody doing? I'm doing fine, and that's the shea butter right there. Well, that feels nice. Put this top back on. I'm going to give this to my daughter because she likes shea butter. Because I have shea butter upstairs. I'm going to make a couple of lotions, I think. Well, that rubs in quite nicely. Then I got, that's the shea butter. Then I got the premium wood earbuds. Okay, I get these all the time because, and I think because my little granddaughters, okay, they use them, they lose them. So I've got an idea for them. Let me cut this off. So it's still snowing, not hard, but snow. Well, it was snowing when I looked out about a half an hour earlier, but it's cold. I know that much. So I went outside just to pick up the UPS stuff. This is the inside of it. So let's see how this works. I'm not really sure how to get this out. Oh, here you go. And here's all little ears. Here plugs in there. That's nice. It says pull the tab. Let me pull this and see what happens. Oh, it comes out. Oh, there's a little bag inside. And here's the ears. So it has other earbuds. So these are actually good. I'm not going to try to test them. I'll let one of the girls test them and find out. I don't have anything to test them down here with, actually. So that's that. And then, last but not least, it comes in a nice box, too. The box feels like it's wood. I don't know. And then, dun-dun-dun, I finally got my heat tool. But you know, when I went to Goodwill the other day, I bought that hair dryer, but it doesn't seem to work without. It's a wonderful little. You know I like gadgets, right? It's a heat tool, and it's QST Express, and it shows you how to shrink and how to heat and what to do, and it's written in English and Chinese, I believe. It's some kind of, can you see the letters over there? So I guess it's Chinese because that's where it came from. So, but it does all these little things. So I'm anxious to try it. It's a hot air gun, so it should be good. Should be good. So you'll see me try it because I'll be up there drying things and doing things and learning things and whatever. I've been listening to different YouTube channels. That's pretty much when I don't, come on, I'm usually listening to YouTube channels. I'm going to do my shout outs a different way because I'm hearing that. Now, I just heard this from a couple of people, so, but, and that's pretty good, I guess, when people tell you about different things. So I'm going to do my shout outs in a different way. I'm not sure what I'm going to call them, but I'll probably redo them again this weekend, but I'm going to call them something like visit your neighbor or something like that. You know, tell a few friends. I don't know. I haven't thought of it yet. So if anybody thinks of anything, just let me know and put it in the comment section because I will do it. Anyway, take care. I'm going to cook some dinner. I'll finish cooking. And take care. And I love you. God bless. Is there anything to tell? Nope. Okay. Bye-bye.